Tugo mar Jio Moshe na Shabiki Jet X kao yudo meda maromo shillings 1,200 per beach. Hope matugo kinde ka kinde shabiki.com owacho ni osebedo kao yudo loch maka kod kacha e tuke ma opogore mag Shabiki ka ng'iyo mar jiwo hande kod omenda ma oloyo. Tugo mar Jio Moshe na Shabiki Jet X nigi mich maloyo milion 2 ka jotugo 10 yudo shillings 1,000 per beach odiochieng' ka odiochieng' ka juma ichiwo shillings 200 kod 50.
Pigiwa nikiwa home, that was a phone call from Shabiki, ndio nikaambiwa I'm the winner for, that is the weekly challenge, so I'm the winner for the Jio Moshe na Jet X campaign, and I was really excited about that. I've been betting with Shabiki for quite some time because nilijua Shabiki kitambo, that is through a friend, and then sasa kanionyesha how they go about the betting and stuff, and so I've been doing that consecutively. Sometimes I've been participating in these two random challenges, promotions, campaigns. So actually this is not my first win. Nimekuwa nikiwin tuseme small prizes. So for this, the 250,000 this time, I can say I was incredibly fortunate to win this huge amount. Jio Moshe na Jet X campaign niliona social media because I'm an ardent fan wa Shabiki, so I follow them closely on all their social media platforms. So that is where I got wind of the promotion and I hopped onto the challenge. Nilieka stake ya 50 bob. Na actually sikujua itakuwa na the highest multiplier, so I was lucky.